Welcome to the RR Technology Hub. Today we are discussing Excel shortcut keys. So, Excel shortcut keys. This 10 Excel shortcut keys we are discussing. So, first one is formulatics. Formulatics likes arithmetic operations, like we are using only arithmetic sum operation. This subjects total marks. Sum operation what is equal to sum bracket open, which columns will be sum and selected, bracket close, enter, sum of the subjects total marks is. And another process equal to sum bracket open, which columns selected, direct to the enter. So this formula also working. Next is fill and do the double click operations. Suppose not there, so enter. This is selected. This plus symbol is showing. Directly click, enter, the one will be printed. So deleted 1. Suppose 2 is there. This is series format. So this places double click, enter the table for series will be printed. This is also enter table for sum operation is. Next one, control plus semicolon. Suppose clicking the cell, control plus semicolon, what will happen? System date will be showing. Next one is control shift plus semicolon. What will happen? System time, what will be showing? This display. What display this is showing? Next one is home and buttons. Suppose this name for clicking, so cursor will be moving direct to home. Front of the name will be cursor move, and end but name of the end cursor moving. Next one is page up and page down. So this is the sheet. Right control page down. What will happen? Next page for next shift for moving. Page down. Next sheet for moving. Page up. Previous sheet. Page up. Previous sheet will be moving. Next one is control plus 5 and control plus T. Control plus 5. What will happen? Control plus 5. Control plus 5 is MS word for basically using strike to command. This Excel for not showing, so this direct applied to the cell. Suppose it is click control plus 5. What will happen? Strike code is directly applied. So this selected names control plus 5. What will happen? All the names are strike to. Then selected control plus 5, remove the strike to. Next one is control plus T. Control plus T. Suppose this table will be selected to control plus T. This is a format as table. Which format is there? This is the format model. Previously what will model is selected. This is applied to apply. So then this for table row select cell selected, control plus T. Enter table will be selected. control plus T. Already is applied, so because it's not working. Next one is Alt plus 7, R plus 9. Alt plus 7 is a bullet words. So is my MS Word file is there, but this is for shortcut key. Alt plus 7. It is this compulsory is number lock is on to numbers enter. Boulevard is showing word. Next enter. Alt plus 9. This word enter. Suppose where text will be shortcut for suppose bullet word Alt plus 7 enter word web text shortcut is Alt plus enter, then what Alt enter Alt plus 7 what directly send to the click central to the extract merging. So next one is control plus A, control plus C, control V. We has these three shortcut keys we are now. This name control plus C, copy, and control plus V is pasted. Control plus A. What will happen? This first cell is clicking, so control plus A, enter sheet will be selected. This table for selecting cell, control plus A, only table for requirement, and this table for selecting, so control plus A, enter table. Thank you subscribing.